We're back with another pickup video. This was actually an early pickup, but of course, you're seeing this after the initial release. So, I copped these. I'm doing something to order. Shout out to Pharrell and Virginia Beach and all that good stuff, man. Shout out to 75. But yeah, as you can see, Adidas, something to order, and you can see the date right there in the corner. So I copped these April 28th. The pictures that I've seen online, the boxes are different colors. I don't know if there was like a special friends and family or it was like a promotional thing. So I'm not sure what the actual release looks like as far as the box. So maybe this is a different box. I don't know. But as you can see, human race and this like a khaki color tan box or whatever. You got the Adidas logo, anything on the bottom. Nothing crazy, made with recycled materials, blah 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 blah. So this is Pharrell and the human race Samba collection. So it's like a full collection of like monochrome shoes or monochromatic shoes. I did like that they came with dust bags. So each shoe is individually wrapped, which is dope. It gives you that like premium kind of feel. The shoes were $200 retail, which is crazy for Sambas, but you know, it is what it is. It's been like every shoe now is like minimum 150, 200. Let's go ahead and put this up here. So this is the all red pair. I did get another pair. That's going to be a different video. I was going to put both in one video, but you know, my average view duration is like 30 seconds. So I wasn't even going to waste my time nor yours with a long video. Let's go and get into it real quick, man. The human race Samba, that all red is crazy. Like this leather seems like really plush, really premium. Get a close up, you see the human race right there, kind of blending in. This is a dope shoe, man. If you have a narrow foot, this is like perfect. Wide feet, you know, I'm not sure that the Samba would be the right look for you personally. And then you get that crazy tongue, since it is technically an indoor soccer shoe. I guess this is like to add another layer of protection, I guess. I know like the OG Sambas, this is like my fourth pair of Sambas, but the OG Samba, I want to say it was leather, and then the toe cap was suede, but this is all leather, all premium leather, and then monochromatic, and then you get the outsole, which is like a gum translucent outsole, and all red, of course. Really not too much branding, like any extra details, since this is a collab. On the insole, you do get Samba. I don't know if that's popping up because, you know, there you go. This one says the same thing. Yeah, now that I'm looking at it, it's kind of weird for like a collab shoe, especially with Pharrell. There's no other branding other than the human race on the side right here, and that's usually says Samba on the regular pairs. But yeah, it was a pack of like 6 or 7, I want to say. I did get another color, which I'll be showing that to you shortly. They did come with 2 sets of laces, so you get a replacement set of red, and then you get like the wheat or tan color. These are leather laces, so it's kind of dope. For this particular pair, I just think they look better with the all red. If you have these or you plan on buying them, they're your shoes. Do what you want to with the laces, but personally, I feel like the red is the way to go on these. But yeah, let me know what you think. I'm not sure if there's any resale value at all. I mean, it is a Samba at the end of the day. According to Twitter, nobody's really checking for these. So if you want these, you didn't know about them, or you know, whatever, you saw this video and now it make you want them. A quick Google search will probably get you where you need to be as far as seeing if whoever has them left. I know they did like a raffle on these. These were first come, first serve. You know, doing something in the water, and that's really the only reason I bought them. Cause I seen them at first, I was like, it's cool, but I'm not really checking on them. But once you're in there and there was like no line, you could just go up as long as they had your size. So I was like, yeah, let me go ahead and get these. And then the next day I did get another pair. They did come with the little tote bag. I had 2 different colors. I gave one away, but as you can see right there, something in the water, like a little keepsake or whatever. But yeah, that's gonna do it for this one. Like I said, there's not much to this shoe. Clean shoe, especially in summertime. You know, definitely a nice low top look. You know, you can do a lot with these, man. Personally, I think you can do a lot with them, but you know, y'all let me know what y'all would do with these. But yeah, summertime for sure. Can't go wrong with a low top shoe. Appreciate y'all for watching.